2020 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. As a Carfax one-owner vehicle, enjoy extra advantages such as having less normal wear and tear. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.